Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to install the Black Ops 6 Open Beta on PC. And let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Steam or whatever you have it downloaded on, and you have to make sure that you have the previous Call of Duty downloaded, even if it was Warzone, which is free. So just make sure you have that downloaded. I'm pretty sure I think it was Modern Warfare 3, that's the most recent one, but yeah. Anyways, yeah. So what you want to do is you want to just click on play, and you will most likely see that like this logo, like the Black Ops 6 logo pop up. You're gonna see it come up. Yeah, so let's just wait for it to load. And yeah, it's this game. I forgot what this one. I think this was Modern Warfare 3. But yeah, you don't have to download like a completely new game or something. You download it like from within the app. So, anyways, let's just wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Yeah, just I'm gonna ask for it to download basically. It's just gonna ask for a download. You just whatever you download it, and then you're gonna basically scroll down until you see Black Ops 6 Open Beta, and it's gonna say Open Beta is live, and you just click on it. And for some reason, if the game if it doesn't work, all you have to do is just restart your PC. You literally just restart your PC 2 to 3 times, or you just restart Steam, and that is it. And if you don't know how to restart Steam, let me just show you. You can just open up the task manager. You can do that by clicking on Control Shift and Escape. Find Steam, and then all you have to do is just click on right here Steam, and then you can just click on End Task, and then that's also like a way of like restarting it basically. And yeah, that is basically it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.